My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is on Tai Chi. It is a solo push hands training drill to start to develop waist and hip movement and understanding what part of the circle in the push hands is yin and yang. But before we get there, I need you to go over and click the boxes to like and subscribe and click the bell to always. This will help support us greatly. Once again, thank you for your support and have a great day.
Tai Chi solo single hand push hand, sometimes known as yin yang training. So we're going to do it from a flat neutral. We're also going to do it from our front stance, and sometimes this is known as mountain climbing stance. Not gongbu, but mountain climbing stance with the shifting. And then I'll go through a two-hand meditation to encapsulate it. So we'll stick with the Qigong, and then once we're comfortable with that, we'll move into two-person practice with it. So this is a solo practice. So I want you to visualize the yin and yang. So you have a circle, and then you have the S. So we're going to start here, and everything comes from your pung, right? Your pung, your water off. So the energy is I raise the back and hollow the chest. So it's important that you work your pung as you're moving through this, just like you would in your push hands. So again, at this angle, I raise the back, lower the chest, and I extend the energy through here. So my pung is going to come up as it rotates around. Another key note is that the first part of the circle is I inhale, and I do not rotate my arm until I cross center. Then I exhale to complete the circle. So it's inhale, cross center, exhale. You can hold your hand at your dantian if you'd like, okay? Some people like to hold it over their heart. Some people just hold it in a fist, however you're comfortable. So for this practice, I'm just gonna hold it at dantian height. So I'm gonna inhale, cross center, and exhale, and that completes the first part of the circle. Now we'll get into the yin-yang. I'm going to inhale with my palm, come up, and do my trace, and then I'm gonna exhale and trace it back down. Inhale, exhale, that's one cycle. So let's look at the cycle again. I start the circle. I inhale, I rotate, I exhale, I inhale, and I work my way up, exhale, work my way down, and then complete. Inhale, and exhale. So on the left, same thing. So we'll switch hands back to the dantian. From the palm, inhale, rotate across, exhale. Inhale, follow my up, exhale. Down, inhale, rotate out, exhale. So one more time, there's my pung, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. So that's from a flat neutral stance. So what we can do is once you feel comfortable with that, let's look at it in two-handed training before we switch stance.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.